Hello friends, it's Kyle from Wyze, the Wyze scale. Celebrated by users and critics everywhere at being the best smart scale around. Well, we don't like to rest on our laurels around here, which is why we have been thinking tirelessly about how to improve an already amazing award-winning product. And I'm confident when I say we've done just that with the Wyze Scale Ultra. Now see more data than ever with a huge 4.3-inch screen right at the tip of your toes. Like all of our Wyze scales, Wyze Scale Ultra comes in black and white. So no matter what aesthetic you have in your porcelain palace, it'll fit right in. Today we're gonna box the white one though, because that's the one I have right here. All right. Every Wyze Scale Ultra comes ultra protected, and after removing the first layer of protection, you will find the quick start guide. Next we have the scale itself. Isn't she gorgeous? Now, before you throw away the rest of the packaging, make sure that you remove the included batteries. Yeah, that's right, we include the batteries because we actually care about you. Inserting the batteries in a Wyze Scale Ultra is super simple. Simply flip it over, slide down the battery cover, and place them in like so. And then slide the cover back on. And voila, look at that beautiful screen. The newest and biggest feature about the Wyze Scale Ultra is the 4.3-inch full color data screen. This huge best-in-class TFT screen presents data in full vivid color like never before, so that you can see and track trends over time right at the tip of your toes without ever having to pick up your phone. Another feature that's different on this scale compared to all the other Wyze scales is that it has two connection types, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. And the features don't stop there. Of course, Wyze Scale can also track up to 13 different body composition metrics, including weight, body fat percentage, BMR, BMI, bone mass, heck, even blood alcohol content. Just kidding, it doesn't do that. Wyze Scale Ultra not only keeps track of all these important health metrics, but it will actually show you trends of each one of these metrics over time so that you can make better decisions for better health. This scale also has a few other handy features like luggage, pet, and baby mode. You know how when you try and weigh these things and you gotta get out the abacus and all sorts of maths and whatever to finally figure out how much your suitcase weighs so you don't have to pay that fee? Well, Wyze Scale does all the math for you. One of my personal favorite features is the smart user recognition feature. Wyze Scale Ultra will automatically sync the data for up to 8 unique users, which means that it kind of knows you personally, which is pretty cool because I don't have very many friends. And with Wyze Scale Ultra, there is no need to ditch your existing fitness tracker. It works with the brands that you love, like Apple Health, Google Fit, and don't worry, Grandma, it even works with your Fitbit. Listen, that wasn't a dig. My grandma literally uses a Fitbit, okay? Now we've covered some of the awesome but more obvious benefits of the Wyze Scale Ultra, but let me show you a few cool details that you might not have considered quite yet. Wyze Scale Ultra has anti-slip floor contacts. Its sturdy construction and grippy rubber floor contacts enable safe and accurate measurements every time. Full surface ITO coated glass means that you can step anywhere on the scale and it is still going to give you an accurate reading. Wyze Scale Ultra comes in two amazing colors, black and white. Now that's the rundown of some of Wyze Scale Ultra's best features. Now let's show you how it works with the Wyze app. First, let's start by adding Wyze Scale Ultra to the Wyze app. To do that, click on the plus sign in the upper right-hand corner, select Device, and then find Wyze Scale Ultra under Lifestyle, and there it is at the top. Through the Bluetooth connection, the Wyze app will automatically look for the scale, and it'll set it up automatically, and voila! Now your Wyze Scale Ultra is connected to your Wyze account. Next, let's give your Wyze scale a name. We're gonna call this one Jim's scale. Next, enter a few details about you so that your scale can give you accurate measurements. And then it'll ask you to do your very first measurement. Remember, in order for the scale to measure all of those awesome body composition metrics, you need to have bare feet while on the scale. And finally, it'll ask you if you want to connect to Wi-Fi. Select your Wi-Fi network just like you would with any other Wyze device that connects to the internet. And after a few short moments, you'll be connected to the internet. Now that the scale is connected to the Wyze app, you can now begin your fitness journey with your Wyze Scale Ultra. Now here in the app, you can see all of your body composition metrics. But remember, that 4.3-inch screen on the scale will give you a lot of the same information. But you can see more information in depth in the app, including all of the data right here. So if you click on the little arrows at the bottom, it'll expand and you'll be able to see a reading from all of your other metrics, including body fat, muscle mass, body water, etc., etc. If I scroll a little bit further down on the home screen, you will see trends and history. To see the trends, simply tap on the graph. Once you tap on the graph, you'll be able to see all of your body composition metrics and how they plot on a graph over time. Now, if I go back and I tap on the little green paper icon in the upper right-hand corner, this is where you can see all of your individual entries from every time that you've stepped on the scale. And finally, further down, you will see baby mode, pet mode, heart rate, and luggage mode. Now to use each one of these features, simply tap to measure, and then the app will walk you through how to do each one of these things. Now let's tap on the gear icon in the upper right-hand corner to show you a few more settings on your Wyze Scale Ultra. On this settings screen, you can reset your Wi-Fi, you can rename your scale if you want, and you can also set a fitness goal. And on the screen, you can set targets for your weight, body fat, and even BMI. Next, you'll find authorized third-party apps. This is where you connect to Apple Health or Google Fit or your Fitbit. Next is export data. Whenever you want, you can set the data range that you're looking for and have that information sent directly to your email. Pretty neat. Then we have screen settings. This is where you can customize the data that you want to see on that huge screen that we keep talking about. You can select whether you want to see your weight, body fat, again, all of those 13 different metrics. You can customize so you see exactly what you want to see. Next, you can toggle power save mode on or off. Next is a new feature called extended display. Now, remember those goals that we set before? When you reach your goals, there will be a special celebration that happens on the scale once you have hit those numbers that you're targeting. And finally, you can enable the view of pet mode, baby mode, luggage mode on your home screen here. If you don't want to see those on your home screen for the scale, then simply toggle those off. And last, I just want to point out sharing. Now, if you want to share this scale or this device with other members of your household, just like you would any other Wyze device, make sure you tap sharing and then share this device with their Wyze account. And that's it. We are thrilled that we have taken a best-selling smart scale and made it even better. And we hope that each of you will step up to an ultra new way to track your health. We'll see you next time. We're about ready to unbox it. Oh, what's gonna happen? I don't know. The moment of anticipation has finally arrived. I bet you're sitting there thinking, what's gonna happen next? Is he gonna pull it out of the box? Is he gonna show it to me now? Why don't you just get to the unboxing already? I clicked on the video because it literally says unboxing. You're gonna unbox it now. Are you gonna unbox it now?